Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 86 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build this 1/8 scale car with me folks, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these. Let's have a look at this week's magazine and see what we're up to. We're doing left and right wheel arch back plates, folks. And this is where they're going on our Ford Falcon. We're going to want our chassis back in, folks. Couple of plates and 4 screws is what we're going to be using today. Nice and simple. It says note that they're handed with left and right on them. Well, I've got them just here. So there's the L just there. And there's the R just there. So I'll put them there so that I have them married up. And they're going to just pop just in front of where the dashboard is. You'll see 2 mounting posts poking up on the chassis. And that's where they go. And then we're firing them up with a couple of PS14 screws. Just neatens up behind the front wheel there, where the inner wing joins the arch, folks, okay? Same on the other side, popping that in place. And then there's our completed assembly. They've been fitted. So it's getting close to that bit where body panels are going to start coming into play. Then we've got the custom-made scene there. This is customising the Cadillacs there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful paint job. This is one of Elvis Presley's many Cadillacs on display at his Graceland home. And then we got Baby Driver there. That's Ansel Elgort, plays a getaway driver for criminals, played by Jamie Foxx and John M. There you go, folks. So that's a little bit behind the scenes there, folks. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, folks. We'll come back and we'll do a nice little bit of assembly for you. Right, let's bring our chassis in a sec. Let's just quickly slabber a bit of oil on you. So let's just bring them down there where I'll be able to see them nice and quick. Drop that in situ. That's now got a little bit of oil on it. We want our left one first, so I'll pull that to the front. Bring in our chassis. Like that. Let's see where they've got all of their wires going. Yeah, they've got them all protruding up there. So if that's good enough for them, I'm going to do the same with mine now. And scoot them wires up there out the way. So that's the left-hand side there. We're going in like so. And then it's going to click straight down in place into the chassis. We can now spin that up on its side. Be careful of your exhausts. And we're going up in these 2 little holes just here. Hopefully that's on camera for you. That's that one done. There you go. Let's bring that a little bit more in shot for you. Grab the next one. And the eagle-eyed will notice that I've done a little bit of weathering underneath on mine. A little bit of road dirt and that, a little couple of washes that's gone on underneath there, just to give that a little bit of texture. Just my own preference. So that's that one done. That's that fully tightened. Happy with that side. We'll now flip it and we'll do the same the other way. It's gone straight in. Grab one of you. just like so. That run all the way down that thread. And that goes straight in there. And grab this one. And I should go along and wash along under here in all these little recesses just to give this a little bit more of a real effect. But at this moment in time, I'll focus on the assembly, and then all of that will come out at the end of the video build series as a modifications video. I'm currently editing two, one for Eleanor, one for Batmobile, just so that you can see all the mods that were done. Right, that's that all sorted. Happy with that. That's all buttoned down, so we can now spin the chassis over. And that's those arch liners in now, and it's just dressed up that whole area up underneath the front where the inner wing comes along here, and the chassis, it's now closed that section off nicely. So that's that all sorted and done and dusted. So we'll leave that there. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this model for yourself and start building this 1/8 scale Mad Max car, pop over to Hachette's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can have this on your bench. Don't forget, folks, like, share, hype and subscribe to the video and channel. Really helps grow the channel, keeps it out there, keeps it alive. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.